Operators explained. Plus minus asterisk per percent. With real examples. What does operator mean? An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform an action on values. In simple words, operator equals a symbol that does a calculation. So, operator works on numbers, or values, to produce a result. Example idea. 5 plus 3. Here, plus is the operator. It means, an operator is a symbol used in calculations. Used to combine values. Used to compare values. Used to produce results. A basic building block of programming. So, operator equals action symbol. Types of operators. Basic arithmetic. We focus on these operators. Plus, addition, minus, subtraction, multiplication, slash, division, percent, modulus, remainder. Purpose. To perform math operations in programs. Why it matters. Without operators, crossmark you cannot calculate. Crossmark no totals or results. Crossmark no logic. Crossmark no real programs. With operators, checkmark you can add numbers. Checkmark you can subtract values. Checkmark you can multiply and divide. Checkmark you can find remainders. Checkmark programs can solve problems. Real-life examples of operators. Think of operators like math buttons on a calculator abacus. Example 1. Shopping. Price equals 50. Quantity equals 2. Total equals price asterisk quantity. Here, asterisk multiplies price and quantity. Total is calculated. Example 2. Marks. Math equals 80. Science equals 70. Total equals math plus science. Example 3. Division. Total marks equals 100. Students equals 4. Each gets equals total marks, students. Example 4. Remainder. 10% 3 equals 1. Means, 10 divided by 3 leaves remainder 1. How operators work. Step by step. Take values. Apply operator. Produce result. Store or display result. Flow. Value means operator means result. Meaning of each operator. Plus. Addition. Adds two values. Example. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Minus. Subtraction. Finds difference. Example. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Asterisk. Multiplication. Repeats addition. Example. 4 times 3 equals 12. Slash. Division. Splits into equal parts. Example. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Percent. Modulus. Finds remainder. Example. 7% 2 equals 1. Example scenario. Real life. Pizza sharing. Example pizza. Pizzas equals 5. People equals 2. Each gets equals pizzas, people. Remainder equals pizzas percent people. Here, gives how many pizzas each person gets. Percent gives leftover pizzas. This makes the program. Checkmark practical. Checkmark logical. Checkmark useful. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often forget operator symbols. Mix plus with text wrongly. Divide by 0. Use percent incorrectly. Confuse with percent. These happen because operator meaning is not clear. Good practices for operators. Checkmark use correct operator. Checkmark add spaces for readability. Checkmark check division by 0. Checkmark understand percent before using. Checkmark test calculations. Bad. Crossmark total equals price quantity. Crossmark using percent without knowing meaning. Good. Checkmark total equals price asterisk quantity. Checkmark remainder equals 10% 3. Real life analogy. Operator is like a machine tool wrench. Numbers equals raw material. Operator equals tool. Result equals finished product. Same with programs. Values go in. Operator works. Result comes out. Important point. Operators perform calculations. create results, are used in logic, make programs useful, are everywhere in code, without operators, cross-mark no math, cross-mark no conditions, cross-mark no real applications. Simple definition. Operator equals a symbol used to perform operations on values in a program. Summary. Operators. Check mark perform calculations. Check mark combine values. Check mark produce results. Check mark help solve problems. Check mark are basic building blocks of programming. Without operators, cross mark no math, cross mark no logic, cross mark no useful programs. With operators, check mark programs can calculate, check mark programs can decide, check mark programs become powerful.